came across this sliding control, which I'd love to show you how it works, except I can't right now because I'm in Firefox, and as it is the original, doesn't work in Firefox. It's also broken in Edge, and I'll show you in a moment why it doesn't work in Firefox, because it's pretty interesting. But first, let me tell you what I want to do is a version that is functional cross-browser, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, whatever. Okay, and it also only uses a single label element instead of all those divs. So let's get started with that. We add an ID here, and a slight warning before anything else. I might need to drink a bit of water because I just underwent surgery yesterday and I'm still a bit feverish and insanely thirsty all the time. Sorry about that. Okay, now having done this, I can move here, and for the body, I won't be doing anything. I'll just leave it as it is. Okay, now here is why it doesn't work in Firefox. So it has that filter opacity, so I have the actual checkbox on top of everything. So when it gets clicked, the state changes. And yeah, filter opacity makes it not work anymore in Firefox. Who knew? Okay, but seriously, right now, what I'll be doing is something else. So use an attribute selector right here. And of course, I'll be using this position absolute. So, and this is the only style that I'll actually be using. Beyond that, I just move it off screen. Okay, so having done this, I can just take all those styles out. And the thing is, I won't be using this font size elsewhere except there. So there's no point in setting it as a custom property. Okay, so having done this, let's move this to the top so we can get it out of the way. And now we can have something else, our label. And on this one, we won't have position absolute or left, but we will have the dimensions. And these are going to be these inner dimensions. We're also going to have this. Okay, so we're going to have this background, obviously. We're going to have a border radius, a box shadow. So yeah, take this stuff as well. Okay, border radius, box shadow. We can simplify this a bit, and we don't need that leading 0. Okay, now for the dimensions, as I said, I'll be using those dimensions right there. So just this is going to be my width, and this is my height. Okay, and actually let's make this relative to the width. So that's going to be, I think that's correct according to my computations. If I'm wrong, let me know. Okay, so these are going to be the dimensions, so the width and the height. And of course, I'll be setting a font size. This should work. Okay. So the dimensions. Do I need anything else from this? No. I think I've taken it all. And now this is the inner part. So this is my linear gradient, and I'm going to need the difference. So border solid, let's say so I think this works for the border. Transparent. Okay, and now I'll be having this as border box. Okay, and then just take this no, actually I had a different background there, and this border radius is going to be half the height. This should do it. Okay, that works. Okay, now I had a different background before, so it's not that one. Okay, we'll fix it. This is the padding box. Okay. No, it's the other way around. Sorry. So this is the inner one. Oopsie. Sorry about that. Brain not working within normal parameters. Okay, having done this, I'll have an after pseudo element content off, so turn off. Now, something else I want to do is take that turn text, so text indent, get it off screen as well. But here I need to reverse that, so it's going to be text indent 0. No, actually let's left 0, and I also need to set position absolute, and here I need to set position relative. I think I need to set text indent as well. Okay, that does it. Okay, and I need to set some dimensions. So that's going to be my width. It's going to be equal to the height equal to the same height. Okay, so now that I've done the inner, okay, I can do this, and I'm just going to reverse these. So so I don't need to add the extra. Background, use that, and I'll just have white smoke before silver. So right here, and this is going to be border box. Okay, now having done this, border radius 50%, this should do it. Something else I want to do here is display flex, line item center, justify content center, and this puts the text in the middle. It also disturbs vertical positioning, so let's fix that. Okay, now I'll also be adding this box shadow. Okay, I don't need those leading zeros, and here I can just do it like this. Again, I don't need a leading zero. Sorry, text transform uppercase. Okay, having done this, one more thing here. Okay, I think I'm done with the outer part. Oh, just this transition I need to add. So I'll be adding this transition right here. Okay. What's wrong? Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry. Okay, now I can do this. Okay, and now I have this before, and I have this background right here. And let's say here I'll be having padding that's okay, it doesn't work. Padding, okay, and now this increases, so what I need to do is box sizing, border box, Okay, and I've done this. So now I use the linear gradient content box. And okay, it looks nice right now. Okay, so having done this, do I still need to do anything else right here? I don't think so. So yeah, this is pretty much my styles everywhere there, and I can just get rid of what I have there. Do I need to get rid of anything else? I can get rid of the elements right here. Okay, I can get rid of this class. Okay, done that as well. Now for the styles for the checked. So for the checked state, let's collapse this. So we have this background. Now the after, we have transform, and what we have here is the width minus the height. Okay, and then we just have the color change and the content to on. And now we'll be seeing, okay, yeah, let's fix that. So we don't really want to change the whole background, we only want to change the inner. So what I'll be doing here is just make this a custom property. Inner. Okay, one more dash there. Okay, so having done this, one more dash there as well. So now it works. One more thing I want to do here, just so that it looks nicer. Cursor, pointer. So now that I've done this, let's see. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it now works in Firefox as well. It should work in Edge as well. It should work in Chrome. So yeah, this is it, the cross-browser version. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have and you want me to be able to do more stuff in the future, please consider supporting my work. You can do it by being a very cool cat and becoming a patron on Patreon. The link is going to be in the description below. Or you can make this kitty very happy on Halloween, especially since she's black, by getting her something off her Amazon wishlist. Again, the links are in the description below. Or you can at least share this to show the world what can be done with CSS these days, because honestly, I think it's pretty damn cool. In any event, thanks for watching.